Yo, what's good? So, it's your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy, and we are back with another exercise. Today, I'm gonna show you within this full body workout. I'll show you how to do quads. So, this machine right here is a leg extension. It will cover your quads. Make sure you sit right and tight right here. And when you go up, focus on the negative part and hold it up for a second. Hold it down for a second as well. So you go slowly up, hold it for a second. Negative part, control it. And you hold it here for a second as well. This is one rep. This is how focused you should be on one fucking repetition, alright? So we do it again. Up, hold it, slowly down. Right here. I'm not gonna rest, I'm gonna keep it up. So I'll actually stress my muscle fibers. We'll go up again. Slowly down again. By doing this, we call something called TUT, time under tension. It's nothing bad, but this is another way of stimulating your muscles. So the first way you stimulate your muscle is always the weight. The weight count here, you can go up to a certain amount, and when you go past that, your form will be shit. So that's why we lower the weight, and we'll focus on the time under tension. In this setting right here, we are not relaxing at one single part. Something I recommend to do is when you're doing a full body workout, do at least 2 sets, 8 to 12 reps. So I'll do something like 10 repetitions here. And you need to rest for at least 60 seconds. Some might be like, after 10 seconds, oh, I'm ready to go again. You might be, but your muscles aren't. To get that full contraction to your muscles again, you need at least 60 seconds. Of course, it varies from people to people, to person, but that's just a rule in general you should keep. So the last one here, we'll go up, slowly down, but at the bottom part, we'll keep it for 10 seconds. We'll just move a little bit to stretch some more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, of course, if you are hardcore as well, say this thing right here, because this is how you will be fully stretched when it comes to quads. Sit here for 60 seconds and do another set again. That's the hardcore way, but I'll recommend you to loosen up, get some blood into your muscles as well, and count those 60 seconds. All right. So, as always, subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you soon.